god, we just found English money in Poland. Okay, we're in a kid's shop right now, and the reason being is because we're piggy shopping. Oh wait, where's the piggy? Oh, there. We're piggy shopping because it's a tradition in Poland to throw coins at the bride with rice. So let's check it out. Okay, so everything is in order. Everything is in place. Piggy is with me, and that's all that matters. Everybody else, not important right now. Let's check out the B-roll.
Let's hug. Let's come. Let's be together. Don't be young. Let's get older. Together. Let's go together. Don't ask. Let's hug. Let's be together. Don't be young.
And this is a Polish road trip
But together.
right there for you with impersonal entertainment.
J-Lo.
That's J-Lo. So, what's so unique about the city?
The Second War started here.
World War II.
Yeah.
And why did they bomb this city of all
Because
cities?
it was very close to the border, and another city was supposed to be bombed, Prashka, but it was too much foggy, so they decided to attack this city, and they started from the city center and a hospital.
Really?
Where we were attending. There, right now it's our high school. Yeah, on Piłsudskiego Street. So welcome guys, and enjoy the city.
Oh my god, this is the worst road to do video on. Oh, we're here.
Yes.
Okay, so we've just made it. We are at your oldest sister. What's her name?
Kasia.
Kasia's village house, and we're picking up the presents. Anything else we're picking up?
Presents for my parents?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And that's it.
Yes.
Easy. This guy really likes going in circles.
House is closed. It's crazy dog.
Aw, he loves you. Okay, yeah, he doesn't love me, that's for sure. We know that much. Anyways, let's check out the B-roll. Are they yours? Okay, we've made it, and we're finally here at the destination. So yeah, we're looking forward to getting everything out of the car, into the venue, then back in the car with the bride to pick up the dress. That's the plan, so let's see how that goes.
Handmade.
Handmade?
Yes.
Tell them to smile. Ooh, look at that. These guys have got moves. They're practicing. Man, my sister needs to learn. This is how it's done. Okay, we've just made it to church. There's the church. Very pretty. I'll do some rolls.
House price.
Oh, this is the house's priest. Some serious money goes into that. Alright, let's check out the inside. I'm not allowed to film apparently, so we'll see. Okay, we're here. So let's see what this amazing car is all about. I've been told the color is described as elephant bone. It's a Polish Fiat, and I'm very excited to see it. Wait, it's Kinga's choice. I will not upset you. But this one is actually kind of dead already.
Okay, so your choice.
No, it's Kinga's. Kinga's second choice.